Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. It's wine coolers. As you can see, let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the overall, the length will be 23.5 inches. Include the handlebars. The depth will be 28.5 inches. And the overall height will be 70.5 inches tall. So as you can see the units, we're having the lockers at the bottom, and when we open the door, you will see we have a controller at the top. They have a lights right here, and the setting buttons right here, the lights controls, and they can adjust the temperature. You can display as the Celsius or Fahrenheit, and the switches right here. And the units coming with the 16 shelvings, and there's a single temperature zone. Now let's take a look at the inner side. For the tray will be 18.5 inches in the length. And 21 inches in the depth. For the unit's inner side space, it will be 21.5 inches in the depth. And will be 63.5 inches tall. For each layers, they are about like 3 inches deep, tall. So this unit looking, you can see the 2 wanted list fan at the top. That's all the information for the front of the units. As you can see, we have stickers right here, the EPL sanitation approvals, model number WI168S. And for the unit diagram right here, all the information showing here. Now look in the bottom, you see there is a grill cover the compressor systems. And they do using the 110 plug, standard US 110 plug. And this is all units information for the back. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.